Tech stocks plummet because of a new Trump policy. Adobe can detect manipulated images with AI. And the world's first burger-making robot makes its debut. It's all the tech news that's popular right now. Welcome to #Trending. It's Wednesday, June 27th, and I'm Andy Kovacs. First up from Reddit is news that the stocks of computer chip manufacturers like AMD and Nvidia have dropped significantly because of Trump's plans to restrict foreign investment in U.S. tech companies. The U.S. Treasury Department initially said on the weekend that it would block companies with at least 25% Chinese ownership from buying businesses involved in industrial significant tech. However, it then expanded the scope of its limitations yesterday to all countries that are, quote, trying to steal the U.S.'s technology. As a result, the shares of semiconductor companies AMD, Micron, Nvidia, and Intel fell by more than 4% overnight. The tech world seems to be holding its breath to see where legislation goes from here. Next up from Google Trends, Adobe has apparently developed an artificial intelligence that can tell whether an image has been manipulated. The platform can scan an image on a scale not visible to the human eye to see if any elements had been added, moved, or cut from the picture. It's based on the fact that manipulation techniques like those leave some sort of evidence behind, and the AI algorithm was trained to scan for and detect this evidence. In a world of fake news, Adobe is hoping that this platform could answer questions of authenticity more effectively. And last but not least, from LinkedIn, the world is getting its first burger joint where robots rule the kitchen. A new restaurant called Creator will open in downtown San Francisco today and offer a $6 burger assembled by a robot. The machine is made with 20 computers, 350 sensors, and 50 actuator mechanisms. It does everything from grinding and cooking the meat fresh to order, to slicing and toasting the bun and adding toppings, all within 5 minutes. Creator's founder, Alex Vardakostas, has been working on this for 8 years and hired a team of engineers and designers from NASA, Apple, Tesla, and Disney to develop his burger-making robot. He says that machines can cook and serve burgers more efficiently than humans and don't have to deal with the health hazards like getting sick. The machine is behind a glass wall, so everyone in the restaurant can see every part of the cooking process. Tickets for a meal at Creator have sold out until August, however, so you might want to get in line now. Well, that's what's trending today. #Trending is a part of the ITWC podcast network. Look for more of our content on iTunes, Google Play, or wherever else you get your podcasts from. You can also add them to your Alexa Flash Briefing or your Google Assistant Daily Briefing. Once again, I'm Mandy Kovacs. Thanks for listening.